This is how I prepare the Costco scallop for sushi. They're dry packed and fresh from Hokkaido, but we're going to do a process called shikomi to make them safe for sushi. Start by giving them a nice bath. Then we're going to make a 3% saline solution for the scalp to bathe in for about 20 minutes. This is called tatejio, and it's a way to evenly salt seafood. Prepare your kombu dashi and let it reach about 131 or 55 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial. Let's take this time to talk about food safety. Seafood, particularly shellfish, has long been associated with food poisoning. In a food safety article from the NIH, Vulnificus species was responsible for 66% of food poisoning cases, with over 84% of hospitalizations from those affected. Vibrio vulnificus bacteria colonized shellfish at undetectable levels after just 10 minutes at 50 degrees Celsius.
Yes, science!
Put the scallops in and poach for about 15 to 20 minutes. This makes them safe to eat while preserving their texture. Save some of that broth and cool the scallops down in it. Let's do a final drain and get it out onto a board. Nice. Pat them dry with a towel and store your excess scallops. In the freezer, they can last for about 2 months. Now that they're all prepared, let's make some sushi. Remove the side muscle and cut them in half. We will prepare one scallop for sashimi as well. On 10 to 15 grams of seasoned rice, place a dab of wasabi, squeeze, rotate, squeeze. On 2 of the pieces, let's do my favorite Kewpie sear. Let's top them off with yuzu kosho, yuzu juice, and of course, grunions. Let's have a taste. The sashimi first. Compared to raw, it's definitely more firm, but it's still very soft and tender. Preparing actually brings out the sweetness. And I'm not worried about getting sick, which is nice. That's very good. The sweetness of the scallop pairs well with the tangy
really
and spicy yuzu kosho, while the green onion adds a refreshing note. The seared Kewpie adds a creamy and slightly smoky flavor that brings the dish together. 10 out of 10.